Hello, welcome. Question number 2. The interior angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:5:8. Find the difference between the largest and the smallest and the largest angle. Remember, a ratio is about proportional division. So the highest ratio will give you the highest angle or the biggest angle, and the smallest one will give you what? The smaller angle. Now, we need to know the total sum of the interior angles of a triangle. Yeah? So the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180. So this angle is what is being divided in this ratio. So we need to know what is the total ratio that the angle is divided. The total ratio is 2 plus 5 plus 8, which will give you, this is 10, right? 15. So it means that this angle is divided into what? 15 parts, and the smallest angle take 2 parts, the largest take 8 parts. So this 15 is the number of parts that the angle 180 is divided. So if we divide the angle 180 into 15 parts, the smallest angle is picking 2 parts of that, the largest is taking 8 parts. So in picking 2 parts, how many of the angles, in terms of angle, this is just a part, how many angles are in each part? So we need to know angles in each part. So let's just say it's going to be, we are dividing 180 by what? 15, and that will give you, I guess that will be 12. So 12 degree is the angle in each part. So it means that if the smallest angle is going to pick 2 of this, it's picking 2 parts. So 2 of that, meaning 2 times 12 degree, that will be 24 degree. We are concerned about the largest and the smallest. So the largest angle will also be picking only 8 parts. That means 8 times the 12, and that will also give us, we have 80 plus, so 96, right? 96. So what do? We are looking for the difference. So difference between them is going to be 96 degree minus what? 24 degree. I believe 2 will be there. If I take away this from here, that will be 72 degrees. So let's check the difference we can have from here. We are going to have 72 degree will be the difference between the smallest angle and the largest angle. So you can check if this is 12, 24 in one corner, 96 in the next corner. The next one will also be 5 times what? 12, which will be 60. So that when you add all of them, you will come back to what? 180. I believe it is clear. This is not the only way to arrive at the answer. We can also take as a ratio aspect. The 2 divided by the total times what? 180.